Hello, everyone. My name is Dora Chavarria, Enterprise Solutions Manager at Mayan Technologies. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create an accounts payable allocation in Epicor Kinetic, and then apply that allocation when creating a miscellaneous invoice. AP allocations allow us to automatically distribute expenses across multiple general ledger accounts based on a defined basis, such as square footage, percentage, or number of employees. In this example, we will allocate utility expenses across 3 departments based on square footage. From the main menu, navigate to Financial Management, Accounts Payable, Setup, and Allocation. Select New Allocation. Enter the following information: an allocation ID and a description. On the basis, we are going to enter a square foot. Click on Save. Next, we will need to add the general ledger accounts that will receive the distributed expense. Under the Lines card, select the new allocation line. Now we will enter the first department's account and its allocation units. And click Save. We will add the second department GL account and the allocation units. And finally, we will add the third department. Now the utilities allocation is complete. The system will automatically distribute expenses based on these square footage units. Next, we will create a miscellaneous invoice and apply the allocation we just created. We will navigate to Financial Management, Accounts Payable, General Operations, AP Invoice Entry. We will create a new group and enter any ID. Then we will click New Invoice and select the supplier. We will enter invoice number, amount, invoice date, and hit Save. Now we need to add a new miscellaneous invoice line. In the navigation tree, select Invoice Lines Detail. And let's select New Miscellaneous Line. We will enter just the description for the expense, and under the Extend Amount, the amount of the invoice. Now we will apply the utilities allocations to automatically distribute the expense. Expand the GL analysis card. You can see that currently it's just going to the expense account set on the GL control for the supplier or company configuration. We can click now to the Allocation button, and we will select the allocation that we just created. Under the amount, we will enter the amount that we would like to allocate, in this case, the full amount of the invoice. Okay, the system creates distribution lines for each department. Next, we need to remove the original full amount line so only the allocated entries remain. Finally, we will review and post the invoice group. If we print the invoice edit list, we can review the report, especially the part of the GL account recap, to verify the distribution of debits and credits. We can see how the system automatically entered the GL accounts that we selected on our allocation template. Now our group is ready to be posted. In this video, we learned how to create an AP allocation based on a square footage, assign GL accounts and allocation units, create a miscellaneous invoice, apply the allocation to distribute the expenses automatically, and finally review the invoice group. Using allocations helps ensure that shared expenses like utilities are accurately distributed across departments. Thank you for watching.